Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can probably tell from the title of today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a recipe to a shake that I've been having. And I have currently been trying to have 2 shakes per day, one for breakfast and then one at around 3 p.m. when I start to get peckish again. And this one here is vanilla and peanut butter. So if you have a sweet tooth like me, I would definitely keep watching because you're gonna enjoy this one. And just before we get into the video, a little bit of background for you if you haven't seen my previous videos or if you don't follow me on Instagram. I am on a weight loss journey trying to lose 10 kilos and so far I've lost 5. Halfway there, and part of my routine that I've changed for this weight loss is incorporating these 2 shakes into my daily routine. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is pour 200 milliliters of water into here. Next, I'm going to add 2 scoops of the vanilla shake mix. And then I'm going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter and a handful of ice. Then I'm going to turn it on and just mix it up. Just going to check on this. I think we can go a little bit thicker. Then once you get it to the thickness that you like, everyone's different. Some people like it really thick. Aaron, my partner, for example, he could drink it like milk. For me, it's just a little bit in between. Then just pour it into your glass and drink away. So that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I also hope you have a beautiful day and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. That's good.